And it's something we impress on our customers. Eric will tell you all the time that it's an investment you're making. Um, the terms are great, and with NHT's suite of offerings, it's a sweet spot that it comes out at when it
Mhm.
comes to payment. But at the end of the day, it is a loan that you're taking, and that loan is an investment on a property that you already have that adds further value to that. And with any investment, you have to make sure that you're making a sound decision. And so it's not something to be rushed. Do research, talk to other homeowners who've gone down this particular path, see who are some of the players that you've indicated, Jason, are in the market. Um, what's the quality of work that some of these individuals have been producing before you rush to make a decision on, you know, just John Doe who says, man, I can do it for you,
Right.
you know, and that's something we always impress on our customers, not just with the solar product, but generally as it relates to accessing services in the housing landscape, whether it's services of your attorney, your valuer, your surveyor. You want to ensure that the investment that you're making and the money that you're paying for these services, you're in fact getting value for money. You're not going to run into a challenge a little down the road.